Hello Squadies, welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. Today, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. The secret to leanness all year round. And it all starts with these turkey taco bowls because this is a lean prep edition. We are lean prepping so we can fuel our body with leanness all throughout the week. Soak up these views. Yes, I know, I am in Maui. That is a big mountain, that is a big ocean, that is a big bowl of leanness right in my hand. And I'm gonna share it with you right now on this episode of Lean Living. So get excited, woo! Hello Squadies, welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. Today I'm very excited because this episode is going to blow your mind. The best ever ultimate meal prep recipe with these turkey taco bowls. Now these are incredible because they are packed full of protein from the turkey. They are super lean and they are also packed with nutrients. You get the B12 from the turkey, which a lot of us are deficient in, and we're gonna get tons of nutrients from the veg, and then we're also gonna have carbs and a low carb option to make sure we can fuel our bodies with the right types of food at the right time. So get excited Squadies. This episode of Lean Living is going to be a life-changing one, and I promise you, you're gonna wanna make this recipe every single week. But before we dive into the recipe, let's play a little game. The game is called like, subscribe, and comment. If you like, subscribe, and comment on this video, you are a lean winner. You are the winner. So make sure you do that and become a winner instantly. Just like, subscribe, and comment. Now that you're a lean winner, give yourself a big round of applause, and let's dive into the recipe. All starts with the protein we are using today, which is an extra lean ground turkey mince. Now, I've actually partnered up with the Turkey Farmers of Canada to bring you more turkey recipes, and that is because turkey is such a good, lean, healthy source of protein to fuel our bodies. Now, it also contains B12, which most of us are actually deficient in, and when you're deficient in B12, it is going to lead to a whole host of problems. So implementing some turkey into your nutrition in your diet is a great way to solve that deficiency. All right, so once we get our mince, we are going to dive into the veg. We're gonna chop, slice, dice, all that good stuff, because like I said, this recipe is packed full of leanness. So let's get to work. Just like this. Just like this. As you can see, I've got my yellow, red, and green peppers perfectly sliced and perfectly tasty. And that is how you want to do it. And then we're gonna do the exact same to our little friend here, the red onion. Sliced, not stirred. What we're gonna do now with all our sliced veg, this is nutritious, tasty veg, we're gonna put in the pan a little spray of olive oil, and we're gonna soften up all this veg perfectly so it just melts in our mouth. It's probably gonna take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Just soften them on a medium to high heat. Oh, and just a dash of salt. All right, Squadies, while that veg is cooking softly, we are getting to the meat portion of this recipe, so to speak, the meat and potatoes, except it's lean and potatoes, or lean taco turkey potatoes, without the potatoes. Anyways, what we're getting to here is the lean protein portion of this meal, which is our turkey filled with nutrients that most people don't really understand. And that is deep down why I love turkey so much, because not only is it a really lean source of protein, it is also packed filled with nutrients. You're going to sprinkle some olive oil in the pan, and then we're going to bop the turkey in the pan, and we're gonna sizzle this up on a medium to high heat while the veg are cooking. Okay, now we've got the turkey, lean turkey, cooking up on the pan right there. Veg right beside it. That is a whole lot of leanness happening together. And what we're gonna do while the turkey is cooking on the medium to high heat is break it up into itty bitty lean bites, because you want that turkey to melt in your mouth. Turkey taco time. And this is an ingredient that is going to bring so much flavor to that turkey, to that veg, and that is a taco seasoning. Why mess around with a whole bunch of different flavors? And all you gotta do is sprinkle that magic taco seasoning into your nearly cooked turkey. Turkey, seasoned, mixed. We're going to do 1 large can of diced tomatoes. Listen to that sizzle. Listen to that leanness. We're gonna let that simmer for 5 minutes back on the pan. Then you take your tasty, yummy veg and set them aside. While it simmers it up, we make a little more leanness. Now, here is a quick lean hack, Squadies. Instead of using your box standard rice, which takes 45 minutes to cook, I like to keep my meal prep as quick and easy as possible, which is why I'm using instant rice. This only takes 2 minutes to make. You pop it in the microwave and pretty much has the same nutritional value as your standard rice. And I'm also using whole grain rice because that is a whole lot healthier than your standard white rice. So take note of that one, and beep, bop, and boop, your instant rice away in the microwave, 2 minutes. Woo. Now we got the rice ready. I just like to quickly heat up my beans just to give them a little warmth, just to toast them up. I'm going black beans. All right, Squadies, that is that. It is officially time to make the turkey taco bowls. First things first is we are going to add the rice. Now you can also use cauliflower rice. Then you add the black beans, which again is a carbohydrate filled with fiber, really good for our digestive system. Add the corn, add the cheese, add the peppers filled with nutrients. Add the salsa to bring a little mix into this lean party. And then we add our lean turkey protein to this mix, which has been simmered, cooked, and added and flavored with spice and a little bit of lime, a little bit of garnish with the cilantro, and you are going to be having yourself one big lean party throughout the week. I am actually on holiday right now, and this is one of my go-to meals when I am traveling because, like I said, it is very important to keep fueling your body with the leanness, and it also helps keep costs down because this is a super cheap and affordable way to fill your body with nutrients instead of spending tons of money eating out at restaurants. So remember, Squadies, lean prep is the key to lean success. And last but not least, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also check out the new 6-week lean challenge. There is a whole lot of leanness awaiting you in 2020, and if you sign up today, you are gonna get recipes tailored to you like this, as well as workouts and my personal support, online text support, email support, all that good stuff, so you will feel your best throughout the year and you will feel motivated every single step of the way because you know your plan is built for you. So make sure you check that out. Click the link below. Otherwise, Squadies, let me know how you like these turkey taco balls and tag me when you make this recipe at LEANSQUAD on Instagram. And last but not least, I will see you back here next episode. Woo!